Hey guys, so let's discuss new problem from stack, which is sum of subarray minimums. So what you need to do here, you would be given one subarray, let's say 3, 1, 2, 4. You will find it's all subarrays, and out of those all subarrays you find the minimum value, and then at the end do summation of those minimum values. Like for 3, what will be the subarrays? 3, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. 2, 4. Okay, for 1 what it would be? 1, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 4. For 2 it would be 2 and 2, 4, and for 4 it would be only 4. Okay, now what is the minimum here? 3. Minimum here is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2 and 4. So can you do summation of these minimum values? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 17. So answer is 17. So that is your answer. Okay, now how you will find it? Can you see how many times 3 is coming? Only once. Okay, 3 is coming only once. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 1 is coming. Okay, 2 is coming twice and 4 is coming once. So can you you can do one more thing. If you know how many times this 3 is minimum element, okay, in those sub arrays, so you just so one time it is there, so you will just add 1 there. Okay, 1, 1, 3. Okay, and then 6 into 1, 6, 4, and then plus 4. Okay, so what will be the total? 17. So if you know this number, okay, this multiplication number, then you also will be able to find the answer, right? So how you know those numbers is very simple. You just need to find your element. Okay, so for example I'll tell you, let's talk about this one. Okay, so if I tell you, if I'm saying that this 1 is the minimum element of a sub array, okay, so it is minimum till which range? Okay, see, this 1 is minimum. It means that this is valid until I don't find lesser element than 1, right? So for example, if I go left hand side, so this 3 is greater than this 1. Okay, so I will include this 3, and after that I don't have, so I will stop here. Now if I go right hand side, okay, so 1 is minimum. 1 is minimum till which location? Okay, see here 2 is greater than 1, so I can include 2. 4 is greater than 1, so I can include 4 also. Okay, so and then array is completed. So here what is the size? 2. Here what is the size? 3. So multiply it, 2 into 3. You will come to know that okay, 1 is coming 6 times. For 6 arrays, 1 is minimum element. Okay, let's take another example. Let's check for this 2. Okay, let's check for this 2. So 2, if I say that 2 is the minimum element for few subarrays, okay, few subarrays, we need to find that number of those subarrays. Okay, so 2, let me see the element which is till where 2 is minimum. Okay, so for example, so 2, if I check this 1 is lesser than 2. Okay, so I have to stop here, so I cannot include 1, so it will be only one size. Okay, now here if I check right hand side, so yeah, 2, 4 I can include, and then the array is completed. So means here the size is 2. So how many sub arrays will be there? Left hand side 1 sub array, right hand side 2 sub arrays. So how many sub arrays you can form using this 1 into 2? So this 2 will come. Check for this 4. Okay, 4, so lesser element is here itself, so you can count only 1, and right hand side, so you don't have anything, so 1 will come here. Same case for 3 also. Left hand side you don't have anything. Right hand side, this one itself is the minimum one, so you cannot include this one as well, so it is 1 only, and then you will find it, right? So it means that if I find the previous less element, okay, previous less element, and if I find next less element, I need to multiply that, right? Means I was doing this now, 1 into 2, and then resultant I am multiplying with the my array element, right? So it means array of I. This will be my count, and I need to find this for all the elements, and at the end I'll do summation of the answer. That is the thing, right? 3 into 1 plus 6 into 1, 2 into 2 plus 4 into 1, and then 17 came, right? So this is what we need to do, and how we are doing it through code. If you see here, see, you have taken 2 array left and right, okay, to store these values PLE and NLE. Now you have taken one stack also, if you have seen my earlier video, we have calculated this previous less element and next less element, right? So here for this block, okay, this block you are calculating previous less element, this block you are calculating next less element, okay, and this block you are just multiplying, you are doing your operation, okay. So result equal to result plus array I into left I into right I, and then mod you are using if the answer is very big. So in that case we will just do mod, okay, which will be given in a question. So now let's see how they are finding PLE and NLE, okay. So this is very simple, okay. You are creating one stack. If a stack is not empty, okay, and your stack pick element is greater than your array I, because you are finding less element, so you don't want greater element. If you find any greater element, you just remove it from stack, okay. So you are popping that from the stack. And if a stack is empty, so in that case currently we need indexes, right? So you will do I plus 1, okay. You will put left I equal to I plus 1, otherwise left I equal to I minus stack pick, okay. So let's say this is your I, okay, and in a stack this is, let's say 0 1 2 3. So you will just if you want how many elements are there, so you will subtract that, right, from this index I minus something is here, I minus j, so you will get these number of elements, right? So for that you are doing that, otherwise you are just pushing this in a stack, okay. We have done so many questions like this, so if you dry run it, you will get to know what we are doing, okay. And then at the end this is the count how we are finding it, okay. So array I into left I into right I, and you're returning the result. That's it. Thank you.